Welcome to Premier Academy. Today's discussion, Budget Manual, going to be presented by Lada Madam. She's a speaker also, Tamil speaker, am I right? Welcome, Madam, please.
Good morning, sir, and my fellow friends. My name is Lata. Today, I am going to share something about a budget manual. My speech will be only 1 minute, so don't space out. And before going to the topic of budget manual, let me explain about what is budget. Generally, budget means it's a summary of planned expenses for a given period of time. But Chartered Institute of Management Accountant has defined the term budget as a financial or quantitative statement prepared and approved prior to a defined period of time to be pursued during that period for the purpose of attaining its objective. So it may include income, expenditure, and employment of capital. Here, we can classify the budget into 3 CT. The 3 C's represents coverage, capacity, condition, and the T represents time required. On the basis of time required, we can classify the budget into long-term budget and short-term budget. On the basis of coverage, we can classify into master budget and functional budget. On the basis of capacity, we can classify into fixed budget and flexible budget. On the basis of condition, we can classify into basic and current budget. Now come to the topic of budget manual. What do you mean by budget manual? It is nothing but a collection of document that contains information for those who involved in the planning process. So it may be a schedule or a document, or you can call it as booklet, which is in written form to show the principles of budget organization. So we should give the copy of budget manual to each departmental head for its better guidance. It should indicate the following things. Before going to that, let me give you one small example so that you can understand why we need all these things. If I'm going to conduct a party, it may be a birthday party. What I will do before the party, I have to do a lot of things. First, I have to book a party hall, and then I have to book for catering. Since we are all foodie, we have to focus more on that. And then I have to focus on the return gift and the room decoration. Finally, come to the cake. According to cake, I have to decide whether which type of cake I want, how much quantity we want, what flavor we want. Everything I should decide well in advance so that I can enjoy the party without any problem. Likewise, we need the budget manual before preparing the budget. So it should indicate the following things: explanation of the principles of budgetary control system and its objectives. The second one is procedures to be adopted in operating the system, and organization chart to show who is responsible for the functional budget. Here, functional budget can be further classified into 4 things. Those are financial budget, physical budget, and profit budget, and final one is cost budget. We must know the time period for each budget, and we should be aware of the duties and responsibilities of the budget committee, and it should explain the nature, time, and specimen forms for the relevant forms. We should know about the chart of accounts and account code which is followed by the company, and it should explain the budget period, budget calendar. Here the budget calendar refers to, it gives the important dates for us, so it is a good reminder for the owners. And budget period refers to a particular period in which the budget is prepared and employed. It maybe depends on the nature and type of the business of the company. Sometimes it may exist to more than 1 year, sometimes it limited to one year. Then follow procedures we have to consider. The final one is information concerning key assumptions to be followed by the managing director in the company, because this is a great limitation of the traditional budgeting system. Some of the managers making budgets based on their assumptions. We don't know on which basis they made this amount. So it should be very clear. Because of this limitation, people prefer to take beyond budgeting. Actually, the traditional budgeting is also a time consuming. So we should focus all these things with the better helpful things. We can prepare the better budget manual. With the help of better budget manual, we can prepare a better budget. Through the better budget, we can achieve lot of things. Like we will have the control over the expenses. We can achieve efficiency. We will have credit rating. I mean, we will get the credit offer or favor from the credit agencies. And we will have we are able to find the deviations from the company. Anything we are in a position to control it. So these are all about budget manual. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Very good, Kanna. Very good. You're having teaching skill, Kanna. Premier Academy is waiting for you.